This remarkable prefabricated tiny house offers an unparalleled blend of convenience and modern comfort, catering to a lifestyle defined by freedom and flexibility. The home's innovative design provides for quick assembly and portability, allowing you to move in and begin your new life in a fraction of the time required for conventional construction. This effortless mobility makes the house ideal for anyone who values the option of a change of scenery, whether for temporary housing in a remote location or for a permanent, portable living solution. Despite its compact, transportable nature, this house is thoughtfully designed with family home features in mind. Its expandable design creates a spacious layout with plenty of room for family living. The well-considered floor plan includes 2, 3, or even 4 bedrooms, a comfortable living room, a fully equipped kitchen area, and 1 or 2 separate wet and dry bathrooms. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure that this tiny home provides a comfortable, functional, and organized space for all residents. The true appeal of this home lies in its adaptability for multiple uses. It serves as a creative canvas, ready to be transformed to suit a variety of needs. Whether you need a welcoming guest house for visitors, a dedicated mobile office, a charming vacation rental, a light-filled artist studio, or a quiet backyard retreat, this unit seamlessly adjusts to your unique lifestyle. The possibilities are truly endless, making this house a flexible asset that can evolve with you over time. Finally, this house is a truly personalized customization project waiting for your input. Available in a 20-foot or 40-foot footprint, with both single and double-story options, it offers a full range of custom options to create a modular home, a cozy tiny home for adults, or a custom layout that reflects a personal style. This flexibility allows this prefabricated tiny home to be turned into the living space of one's dreams, ensuring it is built precisely to a personal vision and specifications. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.